Our planet isn't just a ball of rock, it's a living machine, a complex set of interacting systems engaged in a delicate global dance. Scientists call these systems the four spheres. Think of them simply. The lithosphere is the land, our solid foundation of rock and soil. The hydrosphere is all the water, from the deepest oceans to the vapor in the air. The atmosphere is that thin, vital layer of gas that shields us and gives us air to breathe. And finally, the biosphere. That's all of us, all life, from microbes to mammals. Now, here's the crucial part. None of them act alone. A change in one ripples through all the others. Take a simple rainstorm. Water from the hydrosphere evaporates into the atmosphere to form clouds. Rain then falls, eroding the lithosphere, the rock, and that water is taken up by the biosphere, allowing plants to grow. It's a perfect flowing cycle. But human actions disrupt this dance. When we burn fossil fuels dug from the lithosphere, we pump gases into the atmosphere. This warms the planet, melting glaciers in the hydrosphere and threatening life in the biosphere, from polar bears to coastal communities. And about that melting ice, scientists sometimes give it a special name, the cryosphere. The planet's ice and snow are critical. Their white surfaces reflect sunlight back into space, a process called the albedo effect, which helps keep Earth cool. As the ice melts, darker ocean and land absorb more heat, creating a dangerous feedback loop that speeds up the warming even more. Ultimately, our world is a closed system for matter, but an open one for energy from the sun. Everything is connected. The land, water, air, and life all depend on a fragile balance, and we are now the ones tipping the scales.